All right, everybody. This is a quick video on how to install Google Drive file stream at your house. This is going to make it really easy to bring files back and forth between school. So if you're at school, file stream's already been installed on the computer. You have to log into it anyways. So when you're saving something, you're able to go find your G drive, save it to the G drive, and then when you go home, it's automatically going to be synced to the file stream that's at your house or your home computer, allowing you to work on it at home, save it back to that file stream, and then when you come back to school the next day, you'll have access to that file. So these directions kind of walk you through how to install it onto a computer at home. These are generally for the Windows computers, but you can also install this on a Mac as well. So the first thing you want to do is open up your drive. Kind of how these directions walk you through it here. So I'll quickly click over and get to a drive account, and we'll kind of show you what that looks like. As you click on the waffle and you go to your drive, you're able to kind of navigate yourself this. You see you've got some stuff on the left. You've got file folders that you've been saving to in class. In the upper right-hand corner, you have what looks like a gear. That is your settings for Google Drive. If we click on it, you're going to see a settings options or get drive for desktop. You want to click on the get drive for desktop option when you're at home. By clicking on that, what that's going to do is bring you to a Google Drive help site. And from here, you kind of work your way through the directions that I've got listed. But if we select back over to the PDF really quick, you can see you need to choose which version you're going to be downloading for, whether or not that is a Windows machine or a Mac machine. Once that happens, you'll be downloading the Drive file extension. You're going to have to go ahead and click on that, and it will run and install onto your computer. So let's go back really quick over to the actual piece. So down here, you'll open up. You'll have the option of clicking which one you want. After you've downloaded it, you've run the file, you can then start to log in and make things happen. So if we go back to the directions really quick, after you've signed in to Google Drive, you'll be using your Hananiga email and password. That's the super important piece. You may be running file stream at home for your personal G Drive or Gmail. You're going to have to switch that account over to allow you to use the Hananiga portion there. But once you sign in, it's going to ask for some permissions. You're going to have to grant all of them by clicking allow on this box. I'm not going to be able to show this box to you because I've already got it installed on my computer, but this is an example of what it is going to look like. If you're somebody that already has a Google File Stream working on your computer, you do have the option of switching your preferences and putting another account in there. To do that, you are going to go down to the taskbar in the lower right-hand portion of your screen, and you're going to click on the Drive File Stream icon. By clicking on that, you now have a current activity. It'll show you that everything's up to date. So we need to switch this actually. So we'll go ahead and click on the gear if you follow the steps there. And then you'll go to Preferences. And then you've got the ability here to switch accounts if needed or disconnect it and add a different account. So that's a little bit about Google Drive File Stream. Hopefully this works well for everybody. This is a nice feature, and it'll allow you to bring your stuff back and forth to school relatively easy.